Now we'll calculate for storage of 8 boxes and 9 boxes. So here we will examine if the demand is for 8 boxes and if the vendor has chosen to stock 8 boxes every day, and now we'll check if the demand is 7 boxes. The 7 days on 7 boxes you will get 350 rupees as profit, and 50 rupees you will lose because one box was not sold, which was a loss. So that way we will calculate, and this has a probability of, in case if the demand is 7 boxes and then the expected profit is 30 rupees. Then similarly, if 8 boxes are brought and 8 boxes are being sold with a probability of 0.30 into 400, which will give us 120. Similarly, for 9 boxes, if the demand is 9 boxes, anyhow they will sell only 8 boxes because 8 boxes are only sold. The probability was 0.45. The profit is 180 rupees. This 0.45 into 400. Similarly, even if the demand is 10 boxes with a probability of 0.15, and since only 8 boxes are sold, 8 boxes are available, you could sell, the vendor could sell the same kind of thing, and 400 is profit on each day, so that will result in 60 rupees. So based on this, the total would be 390 rupees. So if the such number of boxes. Similarly we will calculate for other things. So the demand is 7 boxes. Similarly for 9 boxes. 7, 8, 9, 10. Profit is 250, 350, 450, again 450. So the probabilities are 0.10, 0.30, 0.45, 0.15. So this would give a profit of 25, and this is 105, and this is 202.5, this is 67.5. So total would be, on an average, 400 rupees would be the profit. Similarly, we will check for 10 boxes. 7 boxes demand, 8 boxes demand, 9 boxes demand, 10 boxes demand. Profit if demand was for 300, 800, 500, right? So the probability is 0.10, 0.30, 0.45 and 0.15. So this is 20, 90, 180, 75. So total would be 365. Here what it means is when the 10 boxes are brought here and only 7 boxes are sold, 350 is the profit and 150, 3 boxes are left unsold, which is a loss. So 350 minus 3 into 50, 150 loss, 350 minus 150 is 200. So the probability of that is 0.10. So there will be 20 rupees profit. So here 90, here 180. So this is the way probability. Then if we check, now we'll see if the vendor knows about the demand each day. What does this mean? He knows which day 7 boxes are sold, which day 8 boxes are sold, and which day 9 boxes are sold. Means the vendor knows which day he can sell 7 boxes, on which day he can sell 8 boxes, on which day 9 boxes, on which day 10 boxes. If 7 boxes are sold, that means 350 rupees would be the profit, which has a probability of 0.10. So on an average it will result in 35 rupees. And then if he knows that on which days he can sell 8 boxes, which has a probability of 0.30, that means 120 rupees. And here he knows if he can sell 9 boxes, so he will get a profit of 45 rupees. That has 450 rupees, which has a probability of 0.45, and the profit would be 202 rupees 50 paise, 202.5. If 10 boxes are sold, 10 boxes are in demand, 10 boxes are brought in, and which has a probability of 0.15, then it would be 75. So total put together it is 432.5. So when we observe these values, we could see what is the profit when 9 boxes are sold, what is the profit if 10 boxes are sold, what is the profit if 7 boxes are sold or 8 boxes. We see the demand for the choice of stocking 9 boxes is giving us highest profit. So based on the data, the vendor would choose to keep stock of 9 boxes, which would result in 400 rupees on an average profit. But in case if the vendor has perfect information of demand each day, then it would result on an average profit of 432 rupees 0.5. Here we'll write profit, the vendor can earn if he has perfect information is rupees 432.5. But what is the value of information? What we got that as expected value. Expected value of perfect information is 432.5 minus 400. That means it is 32 rupees 50 paise. So this is the value of information. This is what we call that as expected value of perfect information.